Will give an update myself as beloved Rita.
Love.
In this speech, we will be learning something about our background behind the lights on show. As I start, I would like to introduce myself. I, Cristina Bernadette Cuanco Aquino, was born to the former President Corazon Aquino and Benigno Aquino Jr., a popular opposition senator during the Ferdinand Marcos regime, and now a national hero. The youngest of 5 children, Elena, Aurora Corazon, Benigno Sr. III, a currently senator from 2007 to 2013, former congressman of Sarlat, and Victoria Elisa. After the 1986 revolution that removed President Ferdinand Marcos from the power, I, as a teenager, stepped into the limelight, starting with guest spots on the television drama and television, as well as talk shows. As I studied high school in Colegio San Agustin at Makati. And I graduated from the Ateneo National University in 1990 with a degree of Bachelor of Arts in English Literature. Later on, I was bestowed the title of Commercial Princess of the Philippines. The title was given to me